Hey there, want to move investments from another broker to Fidelity? Transferring shares into your Fidelity account consolidates your portfolio and can often be done without selling. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to initiate it. This is called an ACAT transfer. In your Fidelity account, go to Accounts and Trade, greater than, Transfers. Select Transfer an account to Fidelity, and follow the prompts. You'll need statements from your other brokerage to enter account details. Fidelity's system will then request the shares directly from the other firm. The process typically takes 5 to 7 business days. My crucial pro tip: initiate the transfer from the receiving broker, Fidelity. This is almost always faster and smoother than asking your old broker to send the shares. Also, check if Fidelity will reimburse any transfer fees charged by your old broker. They often will. That's how you cleanly move your investments to your preferred platform. Have you ever consolidated brokerage accounts? What was the main reason? Tell me in the comments. For more guides on streamlining your finances, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.